Do you also use a smartwatch and even spend good amount of money for same? But not all these devices are approved by FDA for such measurements. Smartwatches have gained significant popularity in recent years due to their versatility and potential applications in various fields, including medicine. These devices offer several approved and emerging uses in the healthcare industry. Here are some approved uses of smartwatches in medicine, along with examples. Scene 4. Health monitoring and fitness tracking. Smartwatches like the Apple Watch and Fitbit can continuously monitor heart rates, helping individuals and healthcare providers track resting heart rates and detect irregularities. They can also track steps taken, calories burned, and exercise duration, promoting physical activity and assisting in managing conditions like obesity and diabetes. Scene 7. Medication reminders. Smartwatches can send medication reminders and alerts, ensuring that patients take their medications on time. For example, the MediSafe app integrates with smartwatches to provide medication reminders. Scene 10. Fall detection and emergency alerts. Some smartwatches, such as the Apple Watch Series 4 and later, include fall detection features. If a fall is detected, the watch can send an alert to emergency contacts or call emergency services automatically. Scene 13. Blood pressure monitoring. Specific smartwatches can measure blood pressure using built-in sensors. For instance, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 includes a blood pressure monitoring feature. Scene 16. Sleep tracking. Smartwatches can track sleep patterns and provide insights into sleep quality. Users can use this data to improve sleep habits and identify potential sleep disorders. Scene 19. ECG monitoring. Some smartwatches, like the Apple Watch Series 4 and later, have ECG capabilities. Users can record ECGs, which can be shared with healthcare professionals for assessment. Scene 22. Atrial fibrillation detection. Smartwatches with ECG functionality can detect AFib, a common heart rhythm disorder. For example, the Apple Watch can notify users if it detects signs of AFib. Scene 25. Telemedicine and remote patient monitoring. Smartwatches can facilitate telemedicine appointments by providing real-time health data to healthcare providers. Patients can share vital signs and health metrics during video consultations. Scene 28. Chronic disease management. Individuals with chronic conditions, such as diabetes, can use smartwatches to monitor their health and transmit data to healthcare providers for remote monitoring and adjustment of treatment plans. Scene 30. Stress management. Some smartwatches offer stress tracking features that measure heart rate variability and provide stress reduction exercises and techniques. Scene 32. Emergency SOS. Smartwatches often include an emergency SOS feature that allows users to call for help quickly. For example, the Apple Watch can initiate a call to emergency services and share location information with designated contacts. Scene 35. Oxygen saturation, SpO2, monitoring. Many smartwatches can measure blood oxygen levels, which is valuable for assessing respiratory health. This feature gained prominence during the COVID-19 pandemic for monitoring oxygen saturation. Scene 38. Pulse oximetry. Smartwatches can connect to external pulse oximeters, enhancing their ability to monitor oxygen levels, particularly for patients with respiratory conditions. It's important to note that while smartwatches offer these capabilities, they are not intended to replace medical devices entirely. Instead, they can complement traditional healthcare practices by providing continuous monitoring, early detection, and patient engagement. Moreover, healthcare professionals should stay informed about the regulatory approvals and clinical validation of specific smartwatch features before relying on them for medical decision-making. Although, none of smartwatches have been approved for non-invasive blood sugar estimation, as their results may vary due to multiple factors which makes them unreliable.